Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Cloud AI with Facebook ads. Connecting Meta ads to Cloud is actually very simple and it takes only 3 steps. First, connect your Facebook ads account. Then install the connector inside Cloud. Finally, you can start prompting your Meta ads data directly. To set it up, go to onboard.windows.ai and connect your Facebook ads account there. After that, open Cloud, go to connectors and search for Windows to link it. Once everything is connected, you can simply ask Cloud anything about your Meta Ads account. For example, you can ask, what are my best campaign in the last 13 days? Cloud will instantly analyze your data and give you insights. There is it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Your report is automatically created in seconds and saving you a lot of manual work.